This is what my testing facility will look like. I photoshopped the beach in the background so you can get an idea of what the context would be. The front of my testing facility is facing an existing parking lot, and the back of it is facing the beach. Here is my site. Right here you can see this is Henderson State Beach Park in Destin, Florida. This is an existing parking lot, and I chose this so that people can come in through the parking lot, turn around, and then my testing facility would be right here. This will allow for space for people to park and walk to my testing facility or just have a drive-through test that they can get. Here's where my site is in Destin. It is right off of a main road where tourists driving in can come straight there, and it's also 10 minutes from an airport, which there can be a tram from the airport to my testing facility or directions to get to my testing facility from the airport. I took into account the climate and the weather, and so this is what the shape of my roof is for. It is curved right here so that coastal winds can blow over it, and it'll direct all of the hurricane winds away from my building, and it'll be anchored by helical piers, which I will show later. The white color is to reflect the heat and light from the constant sun and constant heat. Here's my floor plan. It is roughly 972 square feet, so not too big. The drive-through is right here, and it is a covered awning for cars and nurses waiting out here to take tests of the people in the drive-through. Here is a nurse entrance that is separate from the public. They can come in right here into a room where they can change into their personal protective equipment. There's a scrub sink, and they can wash their hands and get ready to come in. Through here, this is the testing area. It is basically an L-shaped hallway. This is a drive-through window here, and then another window here and here. Right here is where people from the beach can walk up and get here to this testing window. It is also accessible from the parking lot as well, but this is where walk-up tests will be conducted, and then patients can wait right here. Nurses have their testing equipment here, and they can perform the test, put the sample into the testing equipment, wait 5 minutes, and then give the patient their results. This is kind of more how my circulation will work. So here is the nurse's entrance right here. Here's how cars travel. And then here's how people from the beach or the parking lot can get to the walk-up windows and out. Here are my materials and construction. So here are the helical piers that I will be using. These are ideal for building in sand because part of my building here is in sand and then the other part is on existing concrete. This is the glulam beams that will make the shape of my roof. And then I will also have hurricane shutters for protecting my windows in case of a hurricane. Here's a freehand sketch and a render that I did to show you a little bit more about a perspective of my testing facility. This is how it'll work. So here's the drive-through and then the walk-up windows, and you can see the shape of my roof here. You can also see the beach in the background. Here's a section so you can see kind of what's going on. Here's a car to show you where the drive-through is, and then people to show you where they walk up. And then here's my model. This is a covered awning, and then these are partitions for the walk-up windows. So that's my testing facility. Thank you.